Hi everybody, this is Trish from Art Journal Junkie. I've taken out my Moleskine journal and given it a bit of a gesso, just lightly in the background, and I'm going to use the Lindy Stampgang Magicals that my friend Angie gifted me for Christmas. Of course, I haven't got a clue what I'm doing with them, and I haven't gone and researched how to use them. But I guess that's what having fun with my art is all about, is just to experiment and play, and that's exactly what I'm going to do today. So there's not very much I can tell you about what I'm doing, other than I'm sprinkling these beautiful colors on. I do have a sort of an idea that I'm going to use a rose stencil, so I want all the pinks and reds and yellows in the center, and then of course those beautiful turquoises and greens on the outside of the page. So I'm going to speed up the process here and let you watch what I got up to, having a bit of fun with a stencil, some acrylic paint, a little stamp set that I was also gifted, and a black and a white pen. last thing I did was add some stamping with Ranger ink, and then around the borders of the stamp I highlighted again with my jelly roll, and finally just use the ink and a blending tool to darken the edges of the page. So there we are. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. Please consider subscribing to my channel and giving me a thumbs up, and come across to Facebook and join us at Art Journal Junkie. Until the next video, I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.